Yo! Kyle here. And ngayon naman, medyo baliktad yung gagawin natin. I'm gonna show you yung aking dala-dala sa school kapag may exam or gusto kong magtagal sa library. Pero I'm gonna show you how I put them inside my bag. So, ito pala yung bag na ginagamit ko. Last time pinakita ko sa inyo yung Halo na tablet bag ko. This one is literally the bag of my MSI laptop. So, kapag exam or may bala akong magtagal sa library. By the way, our library kasi is 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So after class ng 5 p.m., may 2 hours ka pa. Let's say kumain ako ng masarap or nakatulog ka. Kapag nakatulog ako, typically I just do mouthwash afterwards para lang mawala yung amoy ng panis na laway. Pero if I eat out, say kumain ako ng dinuguan or ng Bicol Express, I typically brush my teeth afterwards during lunch or kapag hapon. So traveler's toothbrush and toothpaste, really helpful for me. And so, matipid tayo, hindi tayo nagsa-Starbucks. Typically, itong 3-in-1s are the ones saving me out there. And kapag kumain ako, let's say, kunwari, hindi nawala kaagad yung smell sa toothbrush or mouthwash, then I have this baby on here, I can replace. At kapag pinawisan, nakakapagpalit tayo ng face mask. Ayaw natin magka-pimples. So, with that, yun yung mga baby na dinadala natin. They're not the big ones, but the bigger ones, and yung mahalaga is, of course, number one, we bring our notebook. And I showed this in the previous video. I still love to write, and maganda siya pang track ng notes talaga. Now ito, I also showed you this. This is the full set, earphones, charging wires, and everything. At dahil meron tayong notebook, I actually have these three pens. Dalawang panda pen para sa notebook, and then this one, so again, no, may pantitan lang yung gamit natin. Titan doesn't have yung mga stylus. So this one is your rubber stylus. And so far, it's been doing me great. Hindi siya sobrang amazing, but it does the job when I need to highlight or when I want to do some quick doodles or scribbling sa aking tablet. Of course, kung nasa library, you might want to isolate. So, still the headphones. Now, the heavier part here is itong ating charger. So, ako yung nagdadala ng adapter kasi minsan, walang, yung mga socket, no, yung para sa 2 fork lang, hindi para dun sa tatluhan, which most laptop uh, chargers are made of. And on top of that, nagdadala din ako ng extension. Bakit? Typically, sa isang row ng 5 estudyante, well ngayon 5, pero 10 talaga yun na magkakadikit. Dalawa lang kasi yung saksakan. So, if walang nagdala ng extension, dalawa lang makakapag-charge. At kung nasa dulo ka, medyo lugi ka pa. So this one I bring, hindi lang para sa sarili ko, kundi para sa kapwa. Kasi syempre, kung sakaling they also need to charge, then at least they could use this as well. Now, this baby is something I bought no first year. Kasi nag-work ako sa isang telehealth company. So, shout out sa VC. And honestly, may times when I need to be in class and have to do client meeting at the same time. So, may Zoom na nakabukas, tapos merong yung platform namin. And ang hirap niya. So, the ordinary laptop, nagka-crash siya, and medyo the deadly use of fan. But this baby, it can take that abuse. So, that's why I purchased this. But at the same time, it does the job. Kung kailangan ko ng pagbukas ng Neo LMS to view the recordings, kung kailangan ko ng notes isang side and then the lecture on the other, while I'm listening, okay na okay siya. And I'm also doing Anki, so I make my flashcard. So this baby does everything I need. At kapag napagod ako, as a high-functioning device, pwede niya akong bigyan ng entertainment needs ko. Typically, Dota 2 lang naman nilalaro ko, Summer Warriors, Dynasty Warriors, sa device na to. So yeah, with this, I actually have so, isa-secure ko lang siya. Bingo. So, ganito siya. Um, Hindi siya kasing bulky tignan. Actually, medyo magaan pa din siya. And ang type ko dito is the fact na, kasi pag nagdala ka ng backpack, tapos hindi maganda yung sa likod, masakit siya. Pero dahil may cushion siya, thank you MSI, Yeah, it actually feels good. Hindi siya ganun kahirap dalhin. Pero syempre, dahil mabigat, medyo masakit pa din sa likod. So yeah, that is my everyday carry big bag edition.